To solve this equation using the quadratic formula, our first step is to write the equation in the general form. So it'll be x squared plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now before we substitute the values of a, b, and c into the formula, let's figure out what the values of a, b, and c are. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 3. Now we plug those into the quadratic equation, which you can see right up here in the corner. It's going to be equal to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4, 1 times 3. All of that is going to be over 2 times 1. So that'll give us a negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 12 all over 2, which will be negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 over 2, which is negative 4 plus or minus 2 over 2. We're going to figure out our roots from our negative 4 plus or minus 2 over 2. So our first one will be negative 4 minus 2 over 2, and that will be negative 6 over 2, which will give us a negative 3. The second one will be negative 4 plus 2 over 2, which will give us a negative 2 over 2, which gives us negative 1. Now if we substitute that back into the original equation, which we should always do to check and see if we are correct, that'll be a negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. And that'll give us a 1 minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. 1 minus 4 is negative 3 plus 3 will equal 0. That is correct. And when we substitute our negative 3 plus 4 negative 3 plus 3 equal to 0, that'll give us 9 minus 12 plus 3. And 9 minus 12 is negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have checked that our roots or our solutions are equal to negative 3 and negative 1.